Hi, tonight Aunty Bibi reads Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. Are you ready? Down on the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might. Listen to them crunch, vroom, beep, until it's time to go to sleep. Working hard to help his team, Crane Truck raises one last beam. As he swings the beam around, Crane Truck makes a tired sound. He slowly folds his boom back in. And then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, sleeping, snoring. Shh, good night. Cement mixer whirls all day at his churning, spinning play. But all the fun that's kept him busy has made him tired and so dizzy. He cuts his engine and slows his drum and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Dump truck moves the dirt around, backs up and pours dirt on the ground. One final load spills on the heap. Now dump truck's tired and he wants to sleep. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. No one's as tough and as strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Last page. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He lets out one last great big yawn and rolls to sleep until it's dawn. He rests his scoop and stops his treads and snuggles in. It's time for bed. Now everyone is tucked in tight. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night. Good night. I love you.